little whoop-de-doo right in here. I have a Audi here. This one is actually an aluminum body, has an aluminum quarter panel. So has damage right in this area, and then it's pushed in from the door slightly right here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a bunch of aluminum pins down this and roll that out. It doesn't have to come out much, just a little bit, and then work out these dents and go ahead and repair this panel and get it straightened out. Well, it popped off, but it looks like it came out just about exactly where I want it. So that's good. I'll just work those two spots out. I got my line, and it's gonna be ready for fill. So I almost have this quarter panel all worked out. There's a little bit of a little whoop-de-doo right in here. So I'm gonna put one more coat on it. If I keep on sanding, I'm gonna end up undercutting it because it's about as far as I can sand it right now. So I'm gonna put one more thin coat over it, and that should finish it out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this one upstairs to our paint shop so they can get this one painted.